What's up everybody? Welcome back to another video. Today we'll be looking at a new product from our friends over at Skiniplay. I don't know if you guys have been watching the podcast or any of my other videos in the description. You can find I have a promo code for the wonderful people of Skiniplay. It's MickeyPD4, all caps. I'll put it down below here somewhere. And they have a new product. And they sent one over to check it out. And can you guess what it's for? It's for the Beolab 50. So they've now made covers. This is not the final packaging, by the way, but anywho, they now have made covers for the Beolab 50, so you can customize even speakers like these. And let's go check them out. First, I have to open it, get a trusty knife out, gently, carefully. Now, to start off, it can be any design you want. You can choose any of the standard designs. They go for €289, and that's for two speakers, obviously. Or you can go custom, and custom means whatever picture you decide, whatever art you decide, whatever isn't there. It can be anything, really. And they go for €339. Again, promo code MickeyPD4, all caps, here. And you can get 10% off, even the custom ones. And I personally think it's a very good price because I had a little sneak peek. But, so obviously it comes in a box. And at first it'll look a bit weird. I went for the, this is called the golden marble. It'll look a bit strange like this, but let's get a cover off the speaker and see how it looks. It actually is really nice material, and I must say, looking forward to it. Let's take a cover off, shall we? That's one. You can take them off doing them one by one, but I would advise taking both sides off so you don't ruin anything. So this is the regular cover, and this is it on the back, and we'll see in a mo how important this becomes. So this will be a bit strange to do on camera, and it is a bit curled up a bit, but I don't know if you can tell, but this side is less wide than this side, so that's the bottom. It comes with these handmade sewn-in tabs, and these tabs go along the pins on the inside. So we'll do that. Is this right side up? Yes. You just press them over like that. There are actually relief cuts in there, so you're not, like the clicking you hear doesn't do anything to either side actually. And that's one side in. Now, I tend to pull the top over first because this is where it's going to be important, because they are quite a tight fit. And how to do this on camera. So bottom over as well. And now, as you see, it looks like it's too short because it needs to reach out all the way, but this is where the stretchy material actually comes into play, and it's a tiny bit fiddly, but I actually think that's a good thing. because that means that it's taut and it won't move. So you'll end up with this look. But I'll move along through this a bit quicker so you can see what it looks like properly. Yep. So this is where you need to stretch the whole bit over a bit more. And then it fits securely in place. And you end up with a cover that looks nothing like the original anymore. This may not be for you. I really like this golden marble look. I'll put it on the speaker and I'll show you in a second. So now it's all on. What do you guys think about this? I think it's a fantastic idea. In true Skiniplay fashion, if you happen not to like what I've done, you can take it off. It's 100% reversible and you can go back to the stock B&O cover, or you can get a different cover from them, or the world's your oyster. That's why I love this, really. In true Skiniplay fashion, it fits great. You have to make it tight, but that's only better because, like, who wants a loose cover? I don't. It doesn't impact fitment at all, as in like how the cover or frame fits back onto the speaker. I don't see any downside to this other than customization, which is great, really. I love this. I actually think if you compare it to an A9, the price is even on point because there's a lot of fabric in two of them, and also the way it's connected, as in with the plastic tabs, as I tried to show you. It's slightly finicky, but it's on there. It's not going anywhere. Like, you can crank these and they won't fly off or anything. Like, even on 50's. Also, I mean, you may wonder in terms of, like, does it change the sound? There's no audible difference to me. I have fairly sensitive ears, and I tried with a bunch of songs I really know. I can't tell the difference. I mean, it might be a teeny tiny bit, but then again, that might also be the change in humidity in the room versus yesterday. And as they're Beolab 50's, if you're really bothered, just retune them. I mean, I'm not going to bother with this because they sound the same to me. And I mean, what more could you ask? The fabric is, although it doesn't look it, is very airy. And I mean, you can crank them. The fabric doesn't move. You like, it lets out all the air that needs to get out. Like, you can go to 80, 90 dB. I didn't do it for long because of neighbors and such. But like, nothing moves, nothing flops. It's taut, it's tight, and it's great. I don't know if you saw on the overview. I did the other speaker earlier, but the pattern isn't actually the same. Like, the marble pattern you see in this one is different than the one over there. I can try and show you greatly. See, that one has a different marble pattern. You can request similar if you want, as in you can have it like I have, or with any of the patterns where, like, they're individual. So like, this one is different from that one, or you can get it equal, as in, like, this one will be exactly the same as that will be on there. That's up to you. Yeah. Great job, Skiniplay. Skiniplay.com, and use promo code MickeyPD4, all caps. Put it down here below again. this is a great new product. I hope every Beolab 50 owner would consider this if they are a bit bored, because they've been on the market now for what, 2.5 years? And you can now do whatever you want with it. What's your oyster? And I'm actually in love with this, and I'm thinking of getting some more just to change it up. I mean, maybe for Christmas time I'll get some Christmas trees or something. I mean, maybe corny, but it's my house, I can do what I want. And that's exactly the point. So yeah, thanks for watching, everybody. Hope you enjoyed. This is very something new, special. I like it. It's great. Like, subscribe, and all that jazz. And we'll see you in the next one. Bye, and go buy something off Skiniplay.